another order. Put it back below the market, and I will watch to see if we hold the quarter. Okay? All right? Now, Steve, what you're going to be doing next week is you're going to be putting these orders out there. Not on the paper trading status. You hear me? Did you hear what I said? Okay. Now, I'm recording this tape on Amazon.com. And I want everyone to know on the tape that the SMF pro traders in this school and senior traders were given orders at 114 and a quarter. The high was 115.94. They bought, or they got in, so minus $1.69. That means that $1.69 of risk was taken out of the trade. But as an SMF market maker, you are selling that back to the public. And there was $1.40 of that move right there in that 3 minute, 6 minute, 9 minute. And that's what floor traders do. That's what market makers do. The public was buying up here at the top. That wholesale entry was designed for them. Then they sold it back to the public again. And we're going to go through a bottoming effect now here on the open. We just barely passed the 20-minute rule. But when you learn how to get wholesale entries versus the public, and the people watching this tape, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Because you know how many times you bought up here and then they slam them down. But here we don't do that. We don't buy them up here and ride them down. Meaning that we're disciplined with skill. And we have a different set of skills than the public have and the day traders have. Our skills always work because we're always the people buying here when everyone else is buying at the top. Then we're selling it back to them on round number 2 and they get it again. So I'm going to pause the tape. One of the things about being a professional is that the public is never disciplined, nor do they have the skill. And I'm not saying it makes them bad people. They just don't understand the role of the market maker or what the floor traders do. A market maker is a buyer here and a seller all day. So when he made that $1.69 on the way down short, and he made $1.40 off of the low, that means that the market maker made 2 directional movements. So now the market maker's on easy street to be a buyer and a seller with the public. They've got the edge. They always do. They always have. They always will. And basically, the public, investors, regular traders, they've never been trained in this because they've never been down on the floor. And you know you don't know what they do. Come to www.stockmarketpunting.com, NRR Pro Trading School. We have new limit orders at 113.65. Is that right, Bridget? I need to know where the next limit order is. Okay, so we have another limit order at 113.65. We're going to see if we can hold the 114 and a quarter. And we use a mathematical system here. And I'm not going to show that on the tape. You'll have to come to the free 5-day trial to see our trading platform. And basically, we're going to see if we hold that area. But that's what it's about, people. I can't really explain it all to you here, but I can show you trade after trade. Visit some of our other videos on YouTube. Spread the word if this was useful to you. You've been showing something. Now pass it on to your friends if they need it. All right.